Welcome to World Decor Idea, where elegant spaces meet everyday living. Here you'll find realistic design ideas, serene palettes, and smart upgrades that feel timeless, not trendy. Settle in for inspiring makeovers, outdoor retreats, and practical tips you can use right away. Let's create rooms that breathe, soothe, and shine. Soft evening light slips through the louvers, and the garden settles into a gentle hush. Neutral tones feel comforting, not boring like a favorite cardigan for the patio. Herbs lend a quiet fragrance, and warm LEDs glow just enough. It is a spot that invites calm without asking for attention. A rooftop breeze moves the motorized blades, letting sky and shade trade places on cue. Charcoal lines keep it crisp. Driftwood decking keeps it welcoming. Glass windscreens hold the view like a picture frame. It is practical comfort with a little skyline drama, minus the fuss. Cedar and slim steel make a graceful pair, warm grain beside cool shadow. A sand canopy slides out when the sun turns bold. Limestone pavers anchor everything with quiet texture. Vines climb politely, softening the edges. It feels grounded, serene, and made for unhurried afternoons. Filtered daylight gives the terrace a calm, flattering glow. Bronze framing reads classic, not flashy, and gray decking keeps the palette restful. Hydrangea whites look extra gentle under dimmable light. The roof sheds drizzle without darkening the mood. It is comfort that whispers, not shouts. White aluminum, ocean air, and a sand-tone floor. Simple ingredients, timeless mood. Louvers tilt for breeze and soft shade, while sage accents bring hush to the palette. Perimeter lighting adds a warm halo at dusk. The look is easy, coastal, and quietly refined. A compact rooftop refuge that feels bigger than it is. Graphite frames, flax fabric, and warm teak tones keep it elegant without trying. Lavender and grasses soften city lines, while slim LEDs tuck neatly under beams. Built-in storage keeps the space tidy, ready for lingering. Along the garden edge, cedar slats cast crisp shadows on gravel and stone. A rain chain sings lightly into river pebbles. Ferns and white blooms stay calm and classic under lantern glow lighting. The structure feels modern but natural, like it grew there patiently. Woodlook aluminum solves the maintenance game while keeping the warmth. Angled privacy fins invite air and tame glare. A taupe rug and rosemary planters make the palette feel collected and calm. Subtle uplights skim the posts at dusk. It is understated and reassuring. In the courtyard, espresso steel and timber beams feel sturdy and tailored. Frosted edge panels hush the wind without losing daylight. Cream porcelain underfoot stays cool and clean. Dimmable LEDs and radiant heat stretch the season. Everything feels comfortable, enduring, and easy to care for. By the water, pale taupe framing and light gray decking keep the scene peaceful. Louvers align with the breeze, letting the space breathe. White roses and sage red fresh, not fussy. Bollard lights and beam lights share the evening perfectly. It is gentle luxury lakeside. A narrow rooftop still gets its moment. Slim charcoal posts keep sightlines open. A sand canopy slides when the sun wanders. A vertical herb wall adds texture and flavor. A tidy bench hides clutter. City horizon sparkling beyond. Practical can be pretty every day. Warm honey-stained cedar and oat fabric set an inviting table for dusk. Clay pavers etch the gravel with an old soul charm. Dim to warm lights settle into evening like candlelight. Greens and whites keep the palate soothing. It is dinner outside without the fuss, just comfort. All-season ease with insulated louvers and soft driftwood gray framing. Side screens disappear when the weather behaves, then return like good manners. Sandtone decking and silvery greens stay restful year-round. Discreet heaters keep the chill friendly. It is thoughtful design for everyday grace. A quiet courtyard moment in matte ecru and light taupe. Clear roofing filters daylight like a sheer curtain. Boxwood spheres and white hydrangea feel timeless and tidy. A simple water bowl brings a soft ripple of sound. Evening LEDs wrap it all in a gentle glow. Today's tour wrapped modern pergola essentials: calming neutrals, low-maintenance materials, gentle lighting, and breeze-friendly shade for relaxing outdoor living. If that sparked ideas, tap like, subscribe to World Decor Idea, and drop a comment with your favorite detail or questions. Your feedback guides our next design deep dive. See you in the next episode.